Hi, Kirk and Stacy here on location and excited to show you our newest listing at 141 Dwight Road here in East Longmeadow, Massachusetts.
Come check out this charming 2-bedroom bungalow located on a gorgeous lot. Let's go take a look inside.
This home has a spacious kitchen with views of the backyard, a pantry, and a side entrance.
I love this 2-bedroom home, which features nicely sized closets and a full bath on the second floor.
The living room includes a brick fireplace, dining room with built-ins, and hardwood floors throughout.
Around back, you'll find a completely fenced-in yard, garage, large wood deck, enclosed front patio, and plenty of room for gardening and entertaining.
We hope you've enjoyed your personal tour of 141 Dwight Road here in East Longmeadow, Massachusetts. If you have any questions about this property or would like to schedule a private showing, please contact us at the number below.
Here at Resembles Realty, we believe who you work with matters, and we want to work with you.
My left. What is that?
141. I can't read that.
Dwight Road.
Yeah.
Bungalow. Hold on. Let me try that again. Check out this charm. This bungalow is like killing me to say right now.
I can't hear that. See that?
I think yeah, I know. I love the cozy.